Hello, this is a very quick look at the Fitbit Versa. This is the spiritual successor to the brilliant Pebble smartwatch. It's the new fitness tracker from Fitbit. You charge this via the little pins on the bottom, and it comes with a really cool little charging dock. It just opens up by pressing the sides. The Fitbit just clips straight in. I found battery life on this to be very good, lasts easily 3 days before needing a charge, and it charges very quickly as well. Obviously, if you use a lot of the advanced features, you'll drain the battery quicker, but I've managed 3 days very easily. The screen on this is lovely, touchscreen and very simple setup, nice big icons that you can click on. You can receive notifications from various apps, and you can pick the apps you want notifications from. I've found this to be a bit hit and miss, but when it works very well. When you swipe up, you get access to the fitness center. It gives you little tips on what you can do, and it gives you all your stats, so you can check out your steps, sleep, heart rate, and this is also available via the app and the website. It's a really comprehensive set of stats, all based on the watch data. So you get your heart rate, your sleep tracking, interval tracking, all sorts. It nudges you throughout the day to keep on moving, so it lets you know how many steps you've got left in the hour before you hit the magic 10,000 step mark. And it also has the Fitbit Coach built into the Versa. So this gives you little workouts. You can have a little look at what's involved, and when you press play, you see a little animation, and then you do the workout and it will track it. If you want to check out the workouts, you can download the app for free. There is a paid option, but there are free workouts available, and they are the same on the phone as they are on the watch, and that means that wherever you are, if you're traveling or whatever, you can do a little workout and you don't necessarily need to use your phone. The only time you really need your phone is if you want to track anything via GPS, because this is also an MP3 player. You load songs on via your computer, and once you've paired it with a set of headphones, you can play music directly from the watch to your headphones, so you don't need to carry around your bulky phone. This has other advantages as well, because you can load a card up onto the watch, and this can be used as a payment method. So when you're out and about, if you've got contactless payment as an option, you can simply tap the watch to the contactless point and pay for your goods. The Versa has a number of other apps pre-installed, so you can check out Pandora, Strava and Deezer, which is a music streaming service. Unfortunately, there's no sign of Spotify at the time of review. I've been waiting a long time for something to replace my trusty Pebble, and I have to say the Versa has made me not want to wear the Pebble ever again. The screen's brilliant. You can change the straps on the back in the same way you could with the Pebble, and there's also a range of clock faces available to download via the Fitbit app, and quite a few of them will look familiar if you are used to the Pebble. Overall then, I found this to be a brilliant watch. It is a fitness watch first. If you're not looking for fitness tracking, this may be a bit overkill for you. And I have to say I've had a few issues with notifications. The App Store's looking a little bit barren at the moment, but hopefully that will improve in time. For those looking to chill out, there's a relaxation mode that is a guided breathing mode. It will basically track how you breathe and then get you to just breathe in and out. And there's a visual guide on the little screen, and you have to try and turn this green from blue to green, and that lets you know you're doing this correctly. It's nice to see this included, as it's quite different from the frenetic jumping around that the watch normally gets you to do during the coaching sessions. The styling is similar enough to Pebble that it's really nice and subtle. It's not big and bulky. The interface works really well. The touchscreen is very responsive. It's got lots of modes to allow you to track specific activities. So for example, in the swimming mode, it will track your lengths of swimming, and you can always leave this to just track activities automatically. For those fascinated by data on themselves, this is a brilliant little gadget to have. It gives you so much information. It loads it straight into your Fitbit account, and therefore it can work with other Fitbit devices such as the scales and other apps such as Strava. I hope you found this short review useful. If you have, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.